Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? You're not alone. Most people wake up with a million things to do and zero energy to start. But there's a simple trick that changes everything. It's called the 2-minute rule. And it's not just another productivity hack. It's a mindset shift. Let me explain. The 2-minute rule is simple. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. Not later. Not after you check your phone. Not after coffee. Now. That email you've been ignoring. 30 seconds. Do it now. That dish in the sink? 1 minute. Do it now. Your unmade bed? 1 minute. Do it now. Sounds too simple, right? But here's why it works. First, small tasks pile up. 1 unwashed dish becomes 10. 1 unanswered email becomes 20. 1 unmade bed feels like a messy room. The 2-minute rule stops the pile before it starts. Second, it builds momentum. When you complete a small task, your brain gets a hit. You feel good. You want to do more. That 1 dish leads to cleaning the whole kitchen. That 1 email leads to clearing your inbox. Third, it reduces mental load. Every unfinished task sits in your brain. Psychologists call it the effect. Your mind doesn't forget incomplete tasks. They drain your energy without you noticing. The 2-minute rule clears them out. Let me give you real examples. Reply to a text message? 20 seconds. Do it now. Hang up your coat? 10 seconds. Do it now. Put away 1 item on your desk? 15 seconds. Do it now. Wipe down the kitchen counter? 1 minute. Do it now. Take out the trash? 2 minutes. Do it now. These aren't big tasks. They're tiny. But ignoring them makes them multiply. Think about your morning. You wake up, you see a messy room. You feel tired before you even start. That's the pile of small tasks talking. The 2-minute rule eliminates that feeling. But what about big tasks? The ones that take hours, not minutes. The 2-minute rule works there too. Break big tasks into 2-minute pieces. Write 1 sentence of that report. Open the document and write the title. That's 2 minutes. Put on your workout clothes. That's 2 minutes. Open the app and start 1 exercise. That's 2 minutes. Once you start, momentum takes over. The hardest part of any task is starting. The 2-minute rule removes that barrier. You're not writing a whole report. You're just writing 1 sentence. You're not cleaning the whole garage. You're just putting away 1 box. Small wins lead to big results. Try the 2-minute rule today. For 1 week, do every small task. Immediately. Watch what happens. Your space stays clean. Your inbox stays empty. Your mind stays clear. You'll feel the difference by day 3. Subscribe for more life hacks.